Hi there again. In this next episode I'm going to continue making the secondary glazing, but no presenting this time. Just going to get on with it. The double glazing units are A rated. They are 424. So the glass on either side is 4mm and the bit in the middle is 20mm, and that is what makes them A rated. They are also filled with argon. They came from a local company just up the road called Waveney Glass. I have been making small air vents in the glazing tape as this is secondary glazing.
Oh fuck. Oh, you fucker, look, it's in the wrong place. Son of a bitch.
I stupidly measured them in the wrong place.
It's in the wrong place. Shit, we're gonna have to do it all again. Fucker. Fucker.
Indeed.
I knew that would happen. How the fuck did we fuck that up? Okay, so if we look to see where it is, it's basically... Oh, I hope we haven't fucked this up badly. Okay. Oh, shit.
Oh my god, I've just cracked the glass.
Disaster. Fucking disaster. Well, I can't believe I just broke that. I've taken it out and realigned the vents so it will, and it's gone back in. It's got a bloody crack in it. It just means that we'll finish it, but we'll have to order another one.
Oh dear, never mind. Moving on. This side of the glass fits on a sliding rail.
Jesus Christ, I don't want to break another one. At least they're small. Yeah, what a fuck up. Never mind. Doesn't matter about fingerprints anymore, does it? Okay, what next? So after yesterday's disaster, I decided, well, we just carry on. It doesn't actually matter, because I'm going to make some changes anyway. It's just unfortunate. Right, so now, what we did just now, downstairs, is we put this furry bit on the inside, draft seal. It's about 5mm thick, this one. And now, we've made the frame basically on the inside, a little wooden frame on the inside, which is exactly the same width as the other glazing unit. So this now slides across. The curve that I just did is just so it cuts across, just like that. I think that fits. Does that fit in place? I think it does. Okay, let's take this out. The next thing we need to do. Ouch! These are panel pins. They'll slide underneath. Fit on the track and not fall out. There we go. Next bit is to do the shelf at the bottom, which is going to be this piece here, and that doesn't leave much space. Okay. sun's coming out. That's better. Okay. Oops. Makes a nice sound. I'm really happy with it.
This made a massive difference to the insulation of the room. No more drafts coming from this little window, and no more smoke coming from the neighbour's chimney when the wind is blowing in this direction.